Welcome to my channel. This is Angelo's Flat-Footed Reviews. Meron na naman akong i-review na sapatos at ito ay from Brooks. Brooks Ghost Max. I think kakalabas lang ng Brooks Ghost Max 2. Ito ay yung the first one, Ghost Max 1. So it's black and white. Gustong gusto ko ito kasi black and white. And this will be a black and white review. You know, cool kasi pag tumatakbo ng black and white yung sapatos mo. But then sa to lang dalawa to kasi perks to. Nagtatrabaho kasi ako sa isang fitting store dito sa isang running specialty store. So these are just perks sa trabaho. So nakakuha ko ng black and white na Ghost Max and gustong gusto ko talaga yung Ghost Max. Run through tayo sa specs. Heel is 38 millimeters. Front is 32 according to Brooks. So it's a 6mm drop. 38 minus 32. A drop is 6, so you can feel yung yung elevation. So you land on the forefoot. Pero kung tumatakbo ka nito parang na around 8 masarap kasi parang ang sarap tumakbo dito. Para siyang 8 ang feeling, and then yun din yung sabi ng ng ibang nagre-review. And hindi siya gusseted tongue, meaning hindi yung ito nagmo-move siya minsan. Kasi yung ibang shoes may mga gusset yung may semi-gusset na isa lang na strap dito, or yung fully gusseted na naho-hold niya yung tongue. Yun na kasi yung mga bagong running shoes. Hindi siya gusseted. And then ito ay very breathable, good for mga maiinit na lugar. Good for summer kasi dito sa Vancouver pag winter malamig din talagang tumatagos yung lamig nito sa Tapos pag nabasa naman siya talagang basang-basa rin yung sapatos. And this is very durable, and this is the DNA Loft V2 kasi yung Ghost, yung sikat na Brooks Ghost, yung Ghost kasi yung best seller amongst all the running shoes. Ito Ghost Max. Loft V2, this is the updated version of the midsole. It's very unique sa lahat ng mga Brooks na kasi yung Brooks Ghost medyo firm kasi siya yun yung parang European at saka dito sa Canada at US parang gusto nilang yung firm na shoe. Ito naman ay mas softer. It's difficult to explain yung nitrogen infused na midsole kasi hindi siya yung same sa Hoka na talagang ang bilis din mag bottom out kasi it's very soft. This is a combination of like soft and just a little bit of bounce. And I think it's for durability. Talagang makakatakbo ka ng around 1,000 kilometers. Both these shoes, I had 150 sa black, 100 something sa white. I run separately, but I'm planning tumakbo ng black and white, diba? Gusto ko sanang gamitin for marathons. Ginagamit ko sa easy runs kasi medyo mabigat siya, 10 ounces, 286 sa size ko is size 9. And it's true to size. Ang ganda ng fit. Hindi siya narrow, tamang-tama lang talaga ng fit kahit medyo malapad yung paa ko. And then yung rocker niya dito, mararamdaman niyo rin talaga yung rocker. So it's very good for long runs. And I think if hindi ka mabilis tumakbo, like tinatakbo mo lang 6 or 7 minutes per kilometer, so I advise wag na lang sa wag mo nang gamitin yung mga carbon plated. I think Ghost Max is good for you. This is an all-around shoe for casual or recreational runners na hindi naman talaga tumatakbo ng 3 minutes per kilometer, 4 minutes per kilometer. It's great. Great for long run, easy, and just I think nagkakagawa rin ako ng track workout nito, and nakaka-pick up naman siya ng pace. My pace is around 4 sa track. Nagta-track ako ng the track workouts ko 4 minutes per kilometer. Nakakakuha rin naman siya. So I really enjoy this. Gustong-gusto ko to. The best, very stable sa landing, although wala siyang stability features, but then because malapad yung outsole niya, neutrally stable siya. Masarap. So yeah, I think that's it. And enjoy your runs. Follow me on Strava and YouTube. My Strava is Angelo B, B-E-E, like a bee, bubuyog. Thank you.